first problem. It's already in this nice, neat form. We want to identify what the solution is. Well, this first equation represents 1x, no y's, no z's, equals 2. So basically I have x equals 2, y equals 6, z equals negative 1/2, and the solution set is the point 2, 6, negative 1/2. Just like that. This next problem is to help us get used to some row operations. Basically, this one here says we want you to interchange row 1s and row 2. Notice the bidirectional arrow there. So I'm going to rewrite this, putting the 2, 1, 5, 1 at the top and moving the 1, 5, 6, 2 down to the second row, leaving the third equation exactly as it is. And that will be the answer after those rows have been swapped. Here's the next row operation they want us to do. They want us to take negative 4 row 1s, add it to row 3, and interchange that with the new, make that the new row 3. In other words, when you write this out, the 1, 5, 6, 2, the first row, the second row are going to stay the same. It's the third row that's getting replaced, so that's the one that's going to change. So we're going to take negative 4 times each thing in that top row and add it to what's in the bottom row. Starting with this first position, negative 4 times this 1 is negative 4, plus that 4 down there makes 0. Now I move to the next position. Negative 4 times 5, that's negative 20, plus a negative 2 makes negative 22. Watch where I'm pointing here. Negative 4 times the 6, that's negative 24, plus the negative 3 makes negative 27. And finally, negative 4 times the 2 in the top right corner makes negative 8, plus the 10 in the third row makes 2. And this will give us that matrix after that row operation has been done. So basically the goal here has been to practice doing row operations.